Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can add a Zoom meeting to Google Calendar. Also on your iOS device, of course. So at the start, make your meeting and now choose the people that you want to invite. If you're ready, click schedule in the Google Calendar. Now just choose a date, like this one, and click guys on this little plus. Now choose event, and slide up this bottom menu. Then add the people again if you want, and now tap on the add video conferencing. You can see Google Emails appears automatically. You can also add a location and reminder. If you want, you can also add a description, attachment. Now just click save, and that's it. You can see there we have our meeting. We can give a title for it. There we have a Google Meet link, and if you want to join it, click just on it, on this icon to share it. If you want to join this meeting, click here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.